So you are seeing the error on ChatGPT. Oops, access is temporarily unavailable. So let's figure out that how you can fix this issue. I'm just recording this video on mobile, but the solution works 101% same for the mobile and the laptop as well. So if you are encountering this issue, access is temporarily unavailable, please try again later on ChatGPT. I will share with you 3 solutions and the last one works 110%. So the solution number 1 is you have to switch between the normal and the incognito tabs of your browsers. Means if you are seeing this error in the normal tab of your browser, you have to just switch to incognito mode if you are on Google Chrome, and you have to switch to the in private tab if you are on Safari. So switching between the normal and the in private tabs of your browsers may fix this issue. This was the solution number 1. But if this thing doesn't work, let's move to the solution number 2, which is switching between the browsers. Means if you are seeing this error on Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari, and if you are seeing this error on Safari, you have to switch to Google Chrome or Opera or Mozilla Firefox or any other browsers rather than that you are using. And if this thing also doesn't work, let's move to the solution number 3, which is try switching between the devices temporarily. Means if you are seeing this error on your mobile, just try accessing ChatGPT on another mobile or another laptop for some time. And if you are seeing this error on laptop, just try using ChatGPT on another laptop or mobile and vice versa. I'm more than pretty sure that this thing will work. And if all these things didn't work, let me share with you a bonus solution, which is try using a VPN service, because there may be some restrictions with your area or geographical restrictions. Just download and install a VPN from Play Store and App Store or from Google if you are on laptop, and turn that VPN on, and after that try opening ChatGPT and see if this error persists or not. Let me know in the comment section that which thing worked for you, because it will be a big help for the others for overcoming this issue which says sorry, access is temporarily unavailable. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.